Welcome to another how-to video from Ronawk. In this video, we'll quickly review the process for coating and seeding TBlocks with the cells of your choice. First, gather the items you need. This includes TBlocks, sterile pipette tips, a growth vessel, where we're using a 6-well plate in this video, sterile Hanks balanced salt solution without calcium or magnesium, a 1 mg per ml solution of fibronectin, collagen, or laminin in modified HBSS. If you're using something different, please contact Ronawk before you proceed. You'll also need sterile growth media, about 8 to 10 mils for each block you'll be seeding in a 6-well plate. And finally, your starter culture, where you'll need about a half a mil of the starter culture for each block you're seeding. And for best results, you want the starter culture at a concentration of 2 times 10 to the 5th to 2 times 10 to the 6th cells per milliliter. Step 1 is to coat your TBlocks. Start by removing each TBlock from its packaging using a sterile spatula and place each block into your growth vessel with the top side facing up. The top of the block is indicated by a pink dot sticker on the packaging and should also have a smooth appearance, as shown here. After removing any excess water from your growth vessel using a sterile pipette, use a different sterile pipette to add modified HBSS to each growth vessel until the TBlocks are submerged. Let your TBlocks equilibrate in HBSS for at least 6 hours. After that, remove modified HBSS solution from your growth vessel using a sterile pipette. Gently pipette 325 microliters of fibronectin solution on top of each block. Do this dropwise in a circular fashion. Wait 2 minutes. Collect the excess fibronectin solution that has not been retained in the block and reapply this to the block dropwise as you did in the previous step. Again, wait 2 minutes. Gradually add enough HBSS to once again fully submerge each TBlock. Leave the TBlock in the fibronectin solution for a minimum of 6 hours. Step 2 is initial seeding of your block with starter culture. First, remove your TBlock from the fibronectin solution and place it into a fresh well or plate. Gently add a half a mil of your starter culture to the top of each block. Again, do this in a dropwise circular fashion and wait 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, collect the excess starter culture that has not been retained in the block and reapply this to the block dropwise as you did previously. Again, wait 2 minutes, and then repeat this collection and reapplication 1 to 3 more times depending on the cell type and block coating that you've used. Step 3 is adding sterile media. Gradually add sterile media to the far edge of each plate well. In other words, add media to the well and not directly to the block. Continue to add sterile media to each well until the block is fully submerged. This is typically around 8 mils per well. You're now ready to place your plate in the incubator and grow your cells. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful. Check out our YouTube channel for additional how-to videos from Ronawk, and use the Contact Us link on ronawk.com if you have remaining questions.